If you're selling coaching, consulting, or any high ticket service and you struggle to attract leads organically, this video will change the way you do business forever, because I'm about to show you exactly how to get predictable and consistent clients each month using paid ads. So it's a way to basically put $1 into a machine and make $3, $5, or even $7 back. To give you an example, here are the ads that I'm running right now. So far this month, I've spent $700 on meta ads and I've made $4,500 in revenue. So that's a return on ad spend of 6. That means I invest $1 in Facebook ad, I make $6.31 back, and I get booked call for around $100. Note that my niche is really competitive in the marketing make money online niche in the US. That's where you can find the high CPM. Obviously, the cost per booked call will depend on your niche, your industry. It can be a bit lower, it can be a bit higher, but these are the kind of results that I can get right now. First, I'm going to show you the funnel so you can have a better understanding about where do I send people to. So I send people from meta ads directly to my VSL landing page. So I do have a landing page and a VSL. And in this VSL, basically, it's a simple video sales letter where you explain to your target audience why is this about, how you can help them, and why they should believe you, kind of thing. So it's usually like a 10 to 20 minute video. You have to follow a few different steps and address certain things in the VSL. I'm not gonna give you a full breakdown of a VSL script right now because this video would be too long. But basically, that's the gist of it. You need to basically demonstrate your expertise and tell people to book a call with you. So once they've watched the VSL, they can book this button below and they will land on a calendar, so they can book a discovery call with you below. And so there are a few questions that you can put in your Calendly form or other form that you're using to basically qualify the leads. And then what happens is, those people book a call, they open a call with you, and a part of those leads would end up buying what you have to offer. Now, the ads themselves, here's how it looks like. So right now I'm running about $125 per day in terms of meta ads. And I get like on average 1 or 2 booked call per day. Sometimes it's higher, sometimes it's lower. But obviously, depending on your niche and your budget, it will be around this kind of results. So right now, I do have a meta ad campaign. So it's a lead campaign. Make sure the Facebook pixel is properly installed on your website so the different events fire properly and the tracking can be more accurate. And I have different creatives, image and video. And I can show you a few of these creatives. So the one that's brought a lot of calls and clients is one of these. So it's basically like a simple image with some text. Then you want to write a copy for your offer that works in your niche. And other of my ads are just simple video. They are usually 60 seconds long and they look like an Instagram Reels or like a TikTok video kind of thing. So here how they look like, as you can see, it's just me talking to the camera, giving advice about the niche with a good hook. Now, in terms of the audience, the targeting, it's pretty simple. I put, stacked interest. So it's quite broad. The audience are quite broad, like in the 5 to 10 millions of people. I start at a budget of $50 per day. So if you are starting and you want to get booked calls for your coaching, consulting, or high ticket service offer, I recommend starting at least at $50 per day, because that will give you enough data to be able to assess if what you're doing is working. Because if you spend just like $10 per day, it will take like forever before you get a statistical relevant amount of data. So I recommend starting with 50 per day. If you have the budget, start at 100. You will get faster data, but anyway, wait at least 7 days of spending before making a decision. So yeah, that's pretty much the result that you can get. Now, the thing is, there are still a lot of variables that I cannot go through and explain all the details in this video. Obviously, you want to make sure you have the right offer that converts well, and then you want to make sure that you have the right headline for your VSL. You want to make sure that the VSL script is on point. You want to make sure you have different automation to send different reminders to increase the show-up rate. You want to make sure that you're using the right conversion objective on your meta ads campaign and the tracking to be able to track accurately what booked call is coming from ads and what booked call is coming from organic. But basically, if you do this right, you can generate consistent client month on month, without having to spend hours making content or sending a lot of DMs on LinkedIn or cold outreach kind of thing. And so that's a great way to scale your business once you have a proof of concept. Let's say you're already making some sales and you want to scale to the next level. This is basically just a system where you can press a button, like you would say like a gas pedal on a car, and the more you press, the more leads come in and the more clients come in. So that's why it's really powerful. Now, if you need some help with your ads, whether it's you want me to help you with the ads, teaching you how to run these ads step by step, or having me run your ads personally, you can book a free discovery call with me below. And if I see that I can help you, I will let you know how that works and if we can work together, if it's a good fit. So that's pretty much it for this video. Click the link below to book a free discovery call if you're interested in running ads and growing your coaching or consulting business with me. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.